Hey everybody, it's Carrie and Vivi, my helper from when we planted the seeds, and Penny's here too. So it's been a number of weeks since we planted our seeds, and as you can see, they are
grown.
They have grown, and they are ready to be transplanted into bigger containers. So, like this. That's right, Vivian. So I'm using red Solo cups, and I'm going to see how it works. We also have a few of these nice paper cups that I had laying around. I didn't want to buy anything because, honestly, it's still an experiment, and I'm hoping these will work. But you could also buy the pots that the plants come in when you go to the plant store. When you go to the garden center, you can buy those pots too. So we have planted quite a bit already. It's a beautiful day. We're doing it outside, so it's not icky inside. But I'm just going to kind of show you. So we've got a tomato plant.
I made that dirt.
Yeah, we got dirt. We got dirt.
A lot of dirt.
And so we're planting them pretty far up. So with the tomato plants, I got this. I asked my friend who does this all the time for her advice. She said to plant the tomato seedlings up to the first second set of leaves. So they grow your initial set of leaves, and then they grow a second set, and that's what you should plant them up to. There we go. So see how I have it up to that second set. It's right, the dirt's right up to it. Right up to it. And then we kind of did the same things with our pepper plants. And I will demonstrate with one of those guys exactly how deep you should plant it in your second pots. So not all of our stuff lived, but a lot of it did. And we've repotted a whole bunch. I'll show you guys what the table outside looks like when we're done. We have replanted a lot. Hopefully they'll all grow, right, girls? We've got our fingers crossed. So we're going to just show you how to do a couple of these when your seedlings sprout, and it is time for them to be repotted into something bigger. What my friend told me was once they have that second set of leaves, so like I showed you with the tomato plant, that second set right there. This is the initial set. This is going to be your second set. You should replant. Same with the peppers. So I'm going to show you one. Girls, do we have, okay, thank you, Penny. Okay, we have these two initial leaves. Those are the ones that came up first. And I have a couple of seedlings yet that don't have that second set, these right here. So once they get that second set of smaller ones, they're ready to transplant. That's right.
And then they'll done because peppers don't die.
Peppers grow in gardens. We hope so, right? We hope we get some peppers. Okay.
And we did some salad to eat first.
Yes, salad.
And we watered the fresh tomatoes and the peppers.
Fresh tomatoes and peppers. Yes.
And them.
Yeah, but we didn't grow cucumber plants.
Nope.
Nope. We're going to plant those yet.
Soon.
Soon. We hope, right?
In our garden.
In our garden. Okay, Vivian, so let's plant one of these seedlings. Let's do
this.
That's a good one. Okay, let's do that one. All right, maybe, Vivi, you could move over a little bit to show everybody how we're doing it, okay? So first of all, I poked holes in the bottom for some drainage.
You should probably use scissors because that's the best idea.
Penny's right. You can't see her, but she's right. I poked holes with scissors. And then we're putting just a little bit of dirt on the bottom. I think that's good, don't you, Vivi? We don't want too much. So we put maybe this much dirt on the bottom. And now we're going to gently push this guy right here. We're going to push him out. Okay. So what I do is I go from the bottom.
Push it at top of it.
And push it out carefully. You are right, Miss Vivian.
Because you don't want the pepper to fall on the table, do you?
No, we don't want the pepper to fall on the table. Okay. Now, we need more dirt. So Vivian's putting more dirt in, and actually we're going to plant it up a little higher. So Vivi put more dirt in, and we need more dirt. Let's go, Viv. You want your plant to be kind of at the top of your cup here, so that it has a good area for the roots to grow.
Now there's a pepper.
There we go. We're gonna
So a pepper down in a pot thing, and we put it in here so it can go in a tub because we need it to go in the cup.
We need it to grow in the cup so that we can then transplant it into our garden.
Yeah.
Yes. All right, we're going to do one more for you.
Because
All right, so again, we filled our cup with about
dirt,
this much dirt. And then,
this much dirt.
yes, and then we're going to put our seedling in.
More
We're
dirt.
going to, nope, I don't think we need more dirt
Maybe,
yet,
no.
sweetheart.
But
Not yet. We got to put our seedling in, right? And then
this
you add
is
more.
for later, not now. PBS.
Okay, that guy didn't come out super great. So, Vivian, you are going to need to put more dirt in.
Yeah,
now.
put
Go
more
ahead.
dirt in now. Thank you.
Okay, now we need more dirt. Another cup. So that one, the roots kind of, I had to pull that one out. So we got hope here for that one. Okay. All right, that's enough, sweetheart. Nope, we don't want that
Whoa.
much, okay? And that's okay. No problem. You
Ah.
can just pour it off. It's okay.
Dirty.
Okay.
Dirty.
So push it down a little bit. Just one moment, honey. We got to push the dirt down. And then let's show them.
And this the pepper.
I just want to stress that these probably grew for about almost 2 months, maybe.
Yeah.
Downstairs in our basement, we had a heat mat, we had a heat light, a grow light, and almost all of our seeds sprouted. Now, some of them are stronger than others. I'm probably not going to transplant all of these because there were 72 in here. I don't need that many plants. And
72.
72 is a lot. I don't have that much room. So once they got their second set of leaves, they were ready to transplant. And when you transplant them, if they have a very long stem, like mine had a very long stem because apparently I didn't have the light low enough and they were reaching for it, my friend told me to then plant them up to that second leaf so that they get some roots, some strong roots. So,
Some
strong roots
for the vegetables.
for the vegetables to grow. So if you have any questions, please feel free to comment on the video. You can also go to our website at www.franklinpubliclibrary.org, and you can always send a question to the reference desk, and I will answer it. But again, this is not quite yet. This is an experiment for me as well as sharing it with you.
Us. And
Yep,
us.
and us. And the girls love helping. They've been big helpers today in transplanting our little seedlings. And I guess the next step will be just to kind of show you when we put them in the garden. So hopefully they'll all live, right?
Yeah.
At least some, so we can get them in our garden. So happy gardening, everybody. Thank you.
Bye.